Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. To my returning subscribers, you are most welcome, and if you just stumbled on this channel, you are most welcome. My name is Mosmala. So today I'm going to be showing you how I draw my brows. Like, I feel a brow plays like a major role in makeup. If my eyebrow is not on point, I don't think the rest of my makeup is going to be on point. So like, my eyebrow just has to stand out. Like, I can take as much time with my brows and be very fast with every other thing on my face, but my brows has to be on point. Understand? This is honestly what works for me. Just try and look for the things that work for you. And like I always tell you, makeup is all about practice and practice. First, I'm going to prime my brows. I like to prime because it just helps me to take that shiny cast away, and it just makes my eyebrow very matte. So I'm going to be priming with my Becca primer. You want to use a matte primer. You don't want to use any kind of primer that will just add more shine to it. And for beginners, it's always very good if your eyebrows are already sharpened, but it's always very good to sharpen it. If you don't know how to do it, take it to the professionals. Let them tweeze it, let them thread it, whatever it is, let them just help you trim it, and it's going to be very easy for you. So for my brows, I usually use a pencil and a gel liner. So I'm going to start off with a pencil. I'm going to use the pencil to outline it and use the brow gel to fill it in. So I usually like to start from the lower part of my brows, and I just, because it's already shaping, I just trace what is on there. And trust me, you want to take your time. Truthfully, I don't think anybody should rush you when it comes to your brows. So I like to, from the upper part, I like to just start from like a quarter of my brow. I'm not starting in front, as you can see. And once I get here, I just draw it down. Then I come to the front. I just do some strokes, just to have that natural effect. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade in chocolate, and this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to be using this to fill in my brows. And why I like to use a gel liner for my inner part of my brows is it lasts all day. Like, my brows can be like this, like for 24 hours, and it will not move. So for my concealer, I usually like to use a darker one and a lighter one. A darker one in front and a lighter one like at the tail of my brow. So I'm just going to be going in with the darker one now. And like I said, when it comes to your brows, you want to take your time. So I go in with the darker one on the upper part of my brows. Also, cleaning of the brows is very optional. A lot of people, some people don't clean, you know, especially the upper part of their brows. Some people don't find it necessary. I just like to have a very sharp brows. Like, I want my brows to just stand out. You know, put everything in place. And that's it, guys. Hope you learned one or two things from how I do my eyebrows. Like, just take your time. Brows is just about practice, and you're going to just get what works for you. Until next time, I'm going to see you. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my updates. I love you and stay beautiful. Bye.